Hey, what's up everybody? My name is D and welcome to my YouTube channels. And today I want to share with you how I create an online business that's still making money to this day. Okay, let's get started. So just a little bit about myself. My journey started back in high school. Every day after school, I would go to the library to use the computer. And at the time, there was this thing called MySpace. And I was curious, so I had to create an account. For some of you don't know, on MySpace, it let you customize your profile by adding HTML, CSS. You can replace the wallpaper, add music to it, so it was kind of cool. And that's how I was introduced to website design. Ever since, every time I'm bored, when I have nothing to do, I will learn website design as just a hobby. During my college year, I had a vision of creating a website where a user can come visit the website, they can pick out the template they want, and they can sign up the website right then and there. And just like that, I dropped out of college to follow my vision. You know, in my mind, I didn't want to use other hosting service to host my clients' websites. I want to build relationship with my clients and add value to their business. I want to offer my clients peace of mind and have their website well taken care of. They can sign up for the websites in just a few steps or design the website with an easy page builder. If my clients want to design their own websites, they can do it, but if they don't know how to do it, I offer them my website design service for just a small fee. And just like that, I was able to host the websites on my network. If you want to learn how to build the web hosting business like smartandgood.com, I have created an online course to show you all the technical of getting the network up running. And if you don't have the time to build the network yourself, I do offer an installation service for just a small fee so you can start hosting your client's website in no time. I am hosting my clients' websites and offer them my marketing bundle. I was able to enroll my clients under my network and have my system collect the payment on autopilot. This is a life changes. If you do it correctly, there's so little of maintenance. Last year, I was in Vietnam the whole year and I was able to travel to some of the most beautiful places Vietnam has to offer. The system was running perfectly and I was able to make money when I was traveling. I am back in America right now because there's still a pandemic in Vietnam, but I'm planning to travel over there soon when everything is over. And best believe, until that day, the system is still going to be running okay. If you think about it, business owners need a website and they are working hard to keep the business running. And as long as they still in business, they will most likely keep the website up running. So this is a great business model. As long as you offer a quality service, your customers gonna stay with you for a long time. If you need a website for your business or you want to learn how to build the web hosting business, I will put my information in the video description. Please like and subscribe. It will mean a lot to me. I want to thank you for watching and I hope to see you in the next video. Peace.